Bus Guardian is a powerful tool composed of rugged, reliable hardware, including our mobile data terminal, also known as a tablet, and a barcode reader, plus a school-issued ID card with a barcode or a mobile phone. The tablet interface allows drivers to check in and out on the bus, associating drivers to specific vehicles, and it allows students to check into their bus as they would on a passenger aircraft. The mobile data terminal, called an MDT for short, also includes the critical Hygiene inspection module. This cab-mounted MDT then feeds information into our intuitive software, which is used by more than 1,000 school districts today. This simple yet powerful tool is how we help schools keep students and drivers safe. Bus Guardian starts with our popular student ridership feature. It's a snap for drivers to use. Student ridership is student tracking software that enables school administrators and parents to see when their students have scanned on and off the bus. Student ridership verification is an extra feature that enables drivers to see if the student entering or exiting the bus is at the right stop or should even be on their bus. This can help prevent situations in which the students get on the wrong bus, either in the morning or when they are leaving school, or exit the bus at the incorrect stop. To begin, make sure that student ridership verification is enabled on your MDT. To do so, tap the menu button from any screen. Tap Settings. If the slider to the right of ridership verification isn't selected, tap it to turn it on. When you stop at the first bus stop and students get on the bus, they will scan on with their barcode IDs or RFID cards, or bus pass. If they are getting on at the correct stop, this Authorized Rider dialog box will appear. It will automatically close after 2 seconds. If you go to the home screen, you'll see that as each student scans on, the passenger's number is updated to indicate how many students are on the bus. Tap Passengers to see the list of students who are currently on the bus. To return to the stops list, tap Back, tap Route, and then tap Ridership. Proceed through your stops. Student scans that match each stop will bring up the Authorized Rider dialog box. If a student is boarding or exiting the bus at the wrong stop, the Unplanned Stop dialog box will appear. This is displayed if the student is supposed to be part of your route, but is not at their assigned stop. This dialog box needs to be manually dismissed. Before you do so, however, handle the student's wrong stop in accordance with your school district's rules. When you are finished, tap Close to exit the dialog box. If a student scans on the bus who isn't supposed to be part of the route at all, the Unknown Rider dialog box will appear. This has options you could select, as dictated by your district. Tap Allow Rider to Board if you allow the student on the bus. One more passenger will be added to the student manifest. Tap Deny Boarding if you didn't permit them to board. You can tap Rider Lookup to query the database to see if it can find the student name and stop information for the time of day. If a student ID card is scanned twice at the same bus stop, after a configurable number of seconds, so that just a doubled scan by the same student isn't being flagged, the Duplicate Rider dialog box will appear. This has the same two first options as the Unknown Rider dialog box. Tap whichever one you need to, according to your district's rules. When you reach the school stop, each student will scan their cards as they leave the bus. Each scan will bring up the Authorized Rider dialog box. After they've scanned off the bus, the passenger's number will be 0. Using student ridership with navigation can be a powerful tool to help your district overcome the challenges of substitute drivers unfamiliar with routes and students. If a student scans on at the correct stop, the Authorized Rider dialog box will appear and automatically close after 2 seconds. If a student from your route boards or exits the bus at the wrong stop, the Unplanned Stop dialog box will appear, which needs to be manually dismissed after you handle the incorrect stop as needed. If a student scans on the bus who isn't assigned to your route, the Unknown Rider dialog box will appear. This has the options discussed earlier: allow rider to board, deny boarding, and rider lookup. If your school district isn't using student ridership verification, this will be turned off. Scan will produce the Rider Scan dialog box, which shows only the card's ID number. Again, there is no checking for incorrect stops or unknown riders without verification turned on. With technology that has accurately captured ridership information, creating the reports for contact tracing is a simple process in the Synovia software. As simple as navigating a few clicks to the report you want. Now your school will know exactly which students rode the bus with other students for accurate and reliable information your district can use immediately. Bus Guardian is more than just contact tracing. It's also hygiene verification, available via our bus-mounted MDT or your smart device.
So if you click on Inspection from the homepage on your tablet, go ahead and go to Perform. Then we're going to click on the arrow in the bottom right corner to go to Post Trips, and we're going to use this one. Once we get there, you have your regular post trip, but then over in group number 2, you will see that we have the header on top. We have student check, which we always have to do anyways, and we also have wipe down the seats and disinfect railings.
In addition to contact tracing reports, transportation leaders can access detailed reports on bus cleaning efforts using the Synovia software. We make it easy to monitor and share information tracking essential COVID-19 cleaning efforts. Bus Guardian is our innovation on proven, affordable technology that's been trusted to serve hundreds of schools for years, with features designed to keep drivers, students, and communities safe during this challenging period.